All right, here we have a 1 cubic foot Amazon Basics safe. We're going to put the Bic pen test to use here because a lot of folks have posted videos or reviews that they can slide a Bic pen without the ink cartridge over the locking mechanism, opening the safe, basically rendering it useless. So here I have a Bic pen. I've taken the ink cartridge out. We're going to put it to the test and see if it works on this 1 cubic foot Amazon Basics safe. So we pop that little plastic cover off. We're going to put the Bic pen over the locking mechanism here. See if we can get this open. So there it is, snug over the locking mechanism. Does not work. Wiggle this around a little bit. At least on this safe, the Bic pen test is a failure.
So there's a little bit of a problem here. If I've entered my passcode, I hit pound to unlock, then if I open it, if I don't turn this back fast enough and hard enough, it doesn't always lock. So I can continue to do this until I turn it back hard, at which point it locks. So you have to be pretty aware that you have to force this to lock. You could turn it to the left and not lock the safe and walk away on accident.
And as soon as you put the batteries in this thing, it works, and it's very strong, just to keep things safe. But I recommend it. It's really easy to use too. You just lock it again and then put the combination in. I told you guys my passcode, but it's not like you know where I am, so.
I really like this safe. It's very sturdy. I'm happy with the purchase. It's large enough so that you can fit actual pieces of paper in here. And then there's a nice shelf. So I put my cards and stuff up on the top here. And you can update the code very, very easily, which I appreciate. I also like the keys that it came with for emergency opening and would highly recommend this to anyone.
Brand new batteries.